Hi, my name is Tom and welcome at Expivi. I'm going to be your instructor for today, and if you have any questions at the end of the video, please ask us. We are happy to help. You can find our information right here. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a complete material. For this example, I'm going to start with the material for the screen. This is already an existing material that got imported with the model. At the top, we can select a type of material that we want. Each one has different properties to create your material. For this case, I'm going to use the Mesh Physical Material Extended. This will be your most used material because it will have the most diverse options to change. For the diffuse map, I'm going to load in a texture. We can do that by selecting the button Assign. This opens the media menu. Inside the media menu, we can click the button Add, and then we have the Add New Item. We can either drop a file in this box or select the button Choose a File. And I'm going to find my wallpaper and select Open. And select Add. This will add it to your media, and this makes sure you can use it for all your different products or models. Now select the texture you want and say at the bottom Select. Change the diffuse color to white. The diffuse color will be an overlay of the diffuse map. So if you want to change your diffuse map from color, you can always use the diffuse to use it as an overlay. Now you can see my wallpaper. For the next step, I'm going to add an environment map. So again, next to the environment map, select the Assign button. I've already prepared a studio environment for my map. Select it. Now you can see in the little pictogram that it has been added. For now, you won't see any difference on your preview. Next, you could add something like normal maps, bump maps, and displacement maps. But because this is the wallpaper of the screen, we don't need any of these. Next is the PBR tab. This is the one I need for now. In here, you can see the metalness if you want to create a metal-like material. But for now, we need the roughness. We can decrease the roughness to increase the shininess of your material. So you can see the light spots appearing on your preview. You could also use a roughness map for this if you have one for your material. I'm also going to use the coating tab. So I'm going to add a clear coat. This will add an extra shine on the edges of your material. Something like 0.5. You can also add a coat roughness to roughen up that surface and make it more dull. I'm just going to add a little bit of that. If you want, you can also use a Fresnel option to give highlights on certain edges. And all the way down, we can also find light maps, such as AO maps or the actual light map. You can assign textures for these. You could also, we have an emissive property, but for this, we can't use them in the extended materials for now. And also we have some options for rendering. We have to select Save Changes. Now we can go all the way back to our product to check how it looks. If we go to the preview, it will load up your product. And now we can see that we have added the phone screen to the phone. Thank you for following along in this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.